This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, June the 27th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, you can see what's left of Debbie, now a depression over Florida and off into the Atlantic, some cloudiness over New England, some thunderstorm action over Canada, and a little bit with some of the fires over Colorado. The watch warning map from a little bit before midnight shows some heat advisories over us. Excessive heat watch in eastern Iowa to western Illinois. Excessive heat warning in Kansas. And also a excessive heat watch over Arizona and red flag warnings. This is the QBF chart. Precipitation for the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock showing pretty much a stripe of some rain across the state. This will be with some possible nocturnal activity later in the week and into the weekend. So let's take a look at this with the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon, and here's that 594 ridge that's right over about Chanute, Kansas. And it'll be right over us, winds out of the south and west, and temperatures well in the 90s, some areas above 100, heat indices well into the hundreds, maybe 105 or maybe even higher. Just awful. And Thursday is not much better, highs about the same, 90s to maybe a triple digits, heat indices about the same once again, with any rain activity not near here. But Friday, starting Thursday night and into Friday, we need to start watching out for the possibility, put that in quotes, possibility of some nocturnal mesoscale convective systems. And even Friday night into Saturday, we may have to watch for another complex, but it will depend on if we get one on Thursday night into Friday, if we get one Friday night into Saturday. So, and even into Sunday, there's some chances of maybe a shower or thunderstorm. Temperatures do cool off a few degrees back into the upper 80s to lower to possibly middle 90s across the state. And Monday, GFS being a little bit more bullish on more rain, taking the high road and more or less saying that I think the rain chances will be gone for Monday. And Tuesday, the bullish rainmonger GFS wants to bring some more rain close by, but not around here. Still looks to be dry on Tuesday. And even here into Wednesday, the 4th of July, a week from today, it's only a week to Independence Day, and the ridge is beginning to set up again over the plains, the Intermountain West, where they desperately need rain from those wildfires. They could get some thunderstorm activity, which is probably not what they need with the lightning. Could see some rain around us, but it'll be scattered to isolated, with the better chances further to the east. A couple days later on the 8th, big upper level feature over the Great Lakes and into Ontario and Quebec province. Ridge over the Intermountain West and the Great Basin. And the storm track near the U.S.-Canadian border. Pretty good chance of showers and thunderstorms over New England. Bit of isolated activity possible around here, but it's way too early to determine that. We just are looking for trends. And at the end of the forecast, July the 12th. The heat ridge over Utah. Bit of a weakness in it around here, so seasonal temperatures with maybe an isolated to scattered shower or storm, possibly in the heat of the day, but we can't really determine anything else other than that, at least at this time. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video.